Deer hunting is more than just a sport, it's a deeply ingrained tradition. It connects us to nature. For many, it's a way of life. The thrill of the hunt is undeniable. The challenge of tracking a wary buck, the patience required for the perfect shot. These are the things that make deer hunting so compelling. There's a quiet beauty in the pre-dawn woods, the crisp air, the smell of fallen leaves, a sense of anticipation hangs in the air. Then a flicker of movement catches your eye. A majestic buck emerges from the trees. It's a moment that takes your breath away. But deer hunting is not just about the kill. It's about connecting with nature on a deeper level. It's about understanding the delicate balance of the ecosystem, and it's about harvesting your own food, knowing where it came from. In a world increasingly detached from the natural world, deer hunting provides a vital connection. It reminds us of our place in the circle of life, and it teaches us to respect the animals we hunt and the land that sustains them. Deer hunting plays a crucial role in wildlife management. It helps control deer populations. Overpopulation can lead to habitat degradation. It can also increase the risk of disease transmission. Hunters serve as conservationists. They help maintain healthy deer populations. They do this by harvesting a sustainable number of deer each year. This ensures that deer have enough food and resources. Wildlife agencies set hunting regulations based on scientific data. They consider factors like deer population estimates, habitat conditions, and disease prevalence. Hunting licenses and permits generate revenue. This funding supports wildlife conservation efforts. Hunters also contribute valuable data to wildlife agencies. They report their harvests and observations. This information helps biologists monitor deer populations. It also helps them track the spread of diseases like chronic wasting disease, CWD. By working together, hunters and wildlife agencies help ensure the long-term health and sustainability of deer populations. Despite the many benefits of deer hunting, challenges remain. Habitat loss is a growing concern. As human development encroaches on wild spaces, deer populations face shrinking habitats. This leads to increased competition for food and resources. Disease outbreaks pose another significant threat. Chronic wasting disease, CWD, is a fatal neurological disease affecting deer, elk, and moose. It has been detected in several states, raising concerns among hunters and wildlife officials. CWD is a slow, progressive disease. Infected animals may not show symptoms for months or even years. This makes it difficult to control the spread of the disease. There is no known cure for CWD, and there's no evidence that it can be transmitted to humans. The discovery of CWD in Texas in 2025 is a stark reminder of the challenges facing deer populations. The affected ranch had received deer from a CWD-positive facility, highlighting the role of animal movement in spreading the disease. Hunters play a crucial role in monitoring and managing CWD. By submitting a deer for testing and following recommended guidelines, hunters can help slow the spread of this devastating disease. Ethical hunting practices are essential for ensuring the future of deer hunting. Respect for the animal, the land, and fellow hunters should guide every hunter's actions. Ethical hunters strive for quick, humane kills. They use appropriate firearms or archery equipment. They take only ethical shots, and they make every effort to retrieve wounded animals. Respect for the land includes following leave no trace principles. Pack out everything you pack in and dispose of waste properly. Support organizations dedicated to wildlife conservation. Groups like the Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation and the National Wild Turkey Federation play a vital role in protecting habitat and promoting responsible hunting practices. Recent harvest statistics from states like Ohio and West Virginia demonstrate the continued popularity of deer hunting. Ohio hunters harvested over 238,000 deer during the 2024 to 2025 season, the fourth highest total on record. West Virginia saw a 2% increase in deer harvest, totaling over 111,000 deer. These numbers reflect the effectiveness of wildlife management practices and the passion of hunters. By embracing ethical hunting, supporting conservation efforts, and staying informed about challenges like CWD, we can ensure that deer hunting remain a cherished tradition for generations to come.